Well, welcome back. Picking out the perfect gift for friends and loved ones is so fun and rewarding, but wrapping them can be a major challenge. We've got Johnathan Miller joining us now to tell us, honestly, how to wrap those gifts flawlessly. So Johnathan, as a person who struggles with this, I said it before the break, I'm being serious. I have not wrapped a gift since 2008, so you've got your work cut out for you.
We're gonna fix that.
Okay.
So one of the first things I'm gonna show you is this handy item I found on Amazon that helps you cut the paper straight in a perfectly straight line. Literally goes over your roll of paper like that. So then you can have department store wrap cut perfectly every time, and it's so easy.
All right, so can you put that on and show folks again?
Yes,
it was a
I
little
can.
fast. Let's make sure to get this out
So
of the
you
way.
literally
folks can
just
really
do
see.
this number,
So you put it
put
on
on
there.
the roll, house it like that, size it however you need.
All right.
Then you just simply pull it down, and boom.
Wow.
I've cut that, it's perfectly
And
straight.
it is perfectly straight.
Anybody can do it, even Daniel.
And how much was that on Amazon? Like 10 bucks, hopefully?
Yeah, it was like $12.
Okay,
That's it.
perfect. So
You can
gives you
find
this.
fancy tape like
All
this,
right.
because if you have trouble and you're just doing it normal, cutting with scissors, you can fold your wrap, hide the seams. This way, even if it's crooked, even if you can't wrap, then you've got a perfectly straight line.
Okay,
So it covers that up that way.
first step is obviously take this off using this perfect cutter or scissors if you can do that. And then you've got this, and then you fold the ends here.
Fold the ends in half.
All right, perfect.
Then you take this wrap, because as you can see, Daniel's seam there is a little crooked. Then you just simply take this, do this. Then you've got a department store look, flip that around for them.
Okay. Wow.
It hides any imperfections,
That's
so
amazing.
even if you're a little nervous about wrapping, you can still make it wrapped looking like a pro.
Did you get this tape off Amazon as well?
I did.
Wow, this
So
is
I
really
think it was like $4,
Wait, no, so why didn't you go all across with it?
because I wanted to show the difference of your crooked line.
Oh, okay.
And then
Let's
if you're
say we're-
still like Daniel, but you want to dress it up a little bit, you can take and you can buy a pre-done ribbon box like this. This is the before, and then you just add extra ribbon and extra glitter to it,
That's nice.
and it's done. There we go.
Get this out of the way. So yeah, so you can see that before and after. That Tiffany's blue box there, I mean, with a nice pretty bow. That already has a pretty bow on it too, but this really, really spices it up.
And even then, Post-it even came out with the perfect little tags this year. Like, I go extravagant, obviously, with wrapping.
Yes.
But on the bottom, my mom used to write
That
our
is-
names on the bottom of the boxes, and she would put my brother's names on my gifts, so I couldn't figure it out. So if you have to actually label things, you can put them on this little Post-it, stick
if you
it somewhere on it, and
Read it for those who can't see what's on there.
this one says to Daniel from Santa, and this one says to Kim from Santa.
So I've been good enough this year to get a gift from Santa.
That or a box of coal.
I don't know. Our producer says no. I've not been good enough. All right. So honestly, great things. What else we got for us?
Keeping it organized. I know you love a good organizer.
Yes.
So here's all your ribbon, everything here. It snaps apart, snaps together. You can see I've already got the ribbon done through here because I like doing things quickly. Everything's here.
Well, I think that also helps when the time of year changes, right? Because after Christmas, oftentimes you are so stressed out, you just want to get that tree down, you want to get all the maybe New Year's decorations
Exactly.
up. What this does is helps organize that process. So when you're taking down all those decorations, you can put it right here, slip it under the bed or slip it in your closet and keep it there till next year.
And it being holiday red, then when you're cleaning out, you already know what this is, so you just leave it in the closet. You don't have to touch it throughout the year.
That's right.
So then again, you've got the bag person over here. Fancy little bags and little containers like this that say fun things that are sparkly that people can actually recycle
what does
as
that
well.
say?
But this one is for you.
Even Naughty deserves something nice. Oh, that is for me. Okay, I love that one. And then that's just a really cool bag there.
It is. And so then that way, you put a little effort into your bags this year. I'm going to challenge you to do
Well,
that.
no, that's the thing. So I normally do. I'm good about getting the gift bags and then just stuffing them in the wrapping paper, but I'm terrible about actually wrapping them.
Then you grab your box of goods here.
All right.
I'm just going to tie this on here like this. And I just instantly dress this up and put a little bit more effort to add a little more holiday cheer.
This is so pretty. When you're walking into the door, walking into that Christmas party to hand this to the host, we've all brought a bottle of wine to a party. I'm guilty of just going either to those pre-bought bags that are not as pretty as this. So just add something as simple as adding a bow really helps zhuzh this up.
It does.
Right.
Again,
Let's do the last thing here.
you can take again a pre-done box. I got the glittery one this time. I was even prepared with this to where I taped the ribbons inside because you can recycle these year after year.
All right.
And you simply just take the ribbon like this, tape it inside, and then take it over.
They're getting that close up there. That's perfect.
Do this. We add a bow, and boom. I've got an instantly dressed up gift. If I want to add even more zhuzh, I can take an ornament, put it on there, and you can put the person's photo in the ornament
You know what I love about this?
for the gift.
People, because again, I'm honest, I'm not creative like this, but I think anyone at home could see this and say, I can do this too.
And you can do it really inexpensively.
Yes.
That's the most important part, especially this year.
Yes.
You can go out and you can get anything on this table for $2 to $3.
Yep.
If you look,
Super cheap.
you see a red sticker on the back of these boxes. I got these boxes on clearance because
So
they're
cheap.
already trying to get, they overbought, so they're
That's
trying
right.
to get more stuff out.
All right, well, Johnathan, you can catch him on his Instagram page. You see it right there, jsquared@rva.com, and also jsquaredrva, Twitter, Instagram. Stick around, though. We've got more news and weather for you after this break.